It is Christmas time, and I know one thing that my brother needs. He needs one of these angle grinders. At least I hope he does. So I purchased the Milwaukee. I purchased kind of a larger one. It's still 4.5. It just is a 11 amp model. It's a great grinder. Sorry, DeWalt guys. I like Milwaukee better. And I want to give this to him for Christmas, and I want to wrap it, obviously. However, we're going to do something a little different because it just wouldn't be me not to do something a little different. Now, over the years, my brother and I have pretty much annoyed each other on the style and how we give gifts away. We have pretty much wrapped everything in anything imaginable. We've done things in multiple layers of tape. My brother's even wrapped things in duct tape to make it pretty much nearly impossible to unwrap easily. And we've done boxes inside, but you name it, we have done it. But we haven't done this yet. And what I think I'm going to do this year is give him this angle grinder encapsulated in heavy angle iron like this. Now, ironically, you need an angle grinder with a cutting wheel to cut this open easily. At least that's how I would cut it open. So hopefully he manages to get this out of the box so he can cut this. And it's just not going to happen. This is great. This is absolutely the perfect gift for my brother. Now, at this point, I basically just cut 4 16.25-inch angle iron. And that's just because the box is 16 inches long. That lets these hang over just a little bit. We need to put some end caps on it and weld it up and not burn up the box. Now, I hate to say it, in the middle of this I got a little soft. I was originally going to put the Makita, slip it down inside here, and then just do 4 corner tacks all the way around. It might have marked the box a little bit. I thought about maybe dampening the box. It might help some, and that's okay. It wouldn't have mattered. And then I thought, you know what? In the spirit of Christmas, we probably should make this a little kinder. So I know my brother loves toying around and picking locks. So I just went to the hardware store. I got just a heavy-duty hinge. I did weld the pin in. That way he can't knock that out. And I welded the clasp down in there. And so basically the way this works is you can just flip this open. It's still a little hot here. But we can open this up, slip the box down inside, close the lid, and clasp it. And it's not very pretty, and that's kind of the point of this. It is kind of a gag gift. But I don't think he's going to be able to get this out of this contraption unless he either cuts it or cuts the lock or picks the lock, which is going to be absolutely priceless. Now we're ready to lock it up for good. We're going to take the key, pull it out of the lock, and we are going to put the key inside the box because if he picks it, he might want to use the lock. It's a perfectly good lock. It's actually a pretty decent one. It's a Brink, so it's equivalent to a master lock. Good enough for honest people at least. So we're going to take the key, drop it in the box, fold the box back up, put the box back together like so, drop the box into our contraption, put the lock on, and here it goes. It is now officially locked until it's picked. Now here it is, all painted up with a big bow on it, and it's sitting under the Christmas tree ready to be gifted. So I just thought this would be kind of a quick, entertaining video and share a little bit about how our family likes to have fun. And I would like to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. You might be entertained.